Passenger Rooney reporting for duty, Officer Officeley.
Here you are, Rooney. Top of your class. A brain box, eh? I suppose you think you know it all. Can you tell me what this is?
A stain? Ketchup with a hint of mustard.
No! The badge, Rooney, the badge! This is what you can earn if you become a fully qualified park ranger. All you have to do is complete on-the-job learning and the final exam. Questions?
Is your name really Officer Officeley?
Yes.
So, this is Officer Officeley's office?
Officially, yes. Obviously. It's very simple. 1, take care that the park is tidy. 2, make sure there is a proper setting for leisurely activity, like a running track would be good. And 3, see that the guests don't make too much noise. Here's a meter. Now listen, be part of the team. Do a good job, okay?
Yes, be part of a team. Check. I'll do the best job. Check.